The power light on a monster speaker blinking red typically signifies that the device is running low on charge. This issue can be caused by a low battery charge. To resolve the problem, start by charging the speaker. Plug the AC adapter into a working electrical outlet and connect it to the speaker's micro USB port. If the speaker fails to charge, try unplugging the power cable and plugging it into a different outlet. If the issue persists, consider replacing the AC adapter with a new one. If the problem remains unresolved, resetting the speaker may be necessary. Press and hold the source and volume buttons for about 5 seconds. Release them, and let the speaker configure itself for about a minute. If the red blinking issue continues, it may be best to consult a certified speaker repair technician for further assistance.